Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. So you may have noticed when browsing the different projects on our website that we have some different things where you can animate some different people, like animating a joke. And if you scroll down a little bit further, we've got the It's Alive project, which allows you to animate like a soccer player or even the referee, which is a whistle. Now, I want to show you a neat idea that's kind of like this, except it's to a song. All right, so the project we're going to take a look at is titled Spooky Scary Skeletons Meme, and it is by Mist Cat. Okay, so when I press the green flag, it's going to start a song and it's going to animate it.
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight. Spooky, scary
See how it's changing with the music?
with such a screech. You'll shake and shiver.
That's pretty cool.
When you hear these zombies shriek. We're so sorry, skeletons, you're so misunderstood. You only want to socialize, but I don't think we should. Spooky, scary skeletons shout startling.
All right, so this is a really neat project that I hope you take a look at. You can find it in the description below, and you can comment on their project and tell them how awesome of a job they did. And if you're interested in creating some projects that are similar to the ones that you just checked out, make sure you look at the links in the description, which will take you to the free resources where I show you how to create some projects kind of like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.